I had a lot of expectations from this one, but sometimes you don't always get what you want. Hey guys, and welcome to yet another video of Fragrance Jam, and this time I'm here with one of the most hyped, the latest, and one of the costly perfumes by the house of Ajmal called Amir one. The bottle, the presentation, and the juice quality up to a certain extent is very good and top notch. I mean, it is up to a point where you can identify this as a niche perfume. I'm not sure if that's the correct thing to say, but it is, at least for me. This is how the presentation looks like, very hard box. I think this is a wooden box, and very regal presentation, just like this. And the box opens like this. This is a magnetic box. There's a magnet here which holds up this lid, and it opens up like this. Here we can get the perfume. Here it sits. So very good. There's a very soft this pad here where the perfume rests. And yes, this is it regarding the presentation. Good. And 10 by 10 for the presentation. But the presentation is one of the things that matters, not the only thing. Now we'll talk about the juice quality here. Let me tell you that I had a lot of expectations with this one. I was literally waiting to try this one, and as soon as I got my hands on it, I ordered a sample first. I was not impressed with this. I mean, the quality of juice was amazing. Let me tell you that this has 10 by 10 quality, but the DNA was not unique. I mean, if you are paying, I think the retail cost of this one is about 13 to 14,000 Indian rupees. So if you are paying something heavy for a perfume which is just 50 ml, you expect a lot. So of course I had some expectations that were sadly not met, and I guess it's fine, because it happens when you buy a lot of perfumes. You are exposed to a lot of perfumes, and then you start expecting from those perfumes. Now right away when you spray this on the strip, it will remind you of a lot of perfumes by the house of Ajmal itself, and I'll show you which perfumes. The quality, let me tell you that this has my respect for the quality thing. The juice quality is amazing, and for someone who is sniffing this perfume for the first time, he will fall in love. So let me explain you the scent profile first real quick. Ajmal is famous for its ouds, and if you have encountered, or if you have these perfumes, this one, which is Color by the house of Ajmal itself, and the second one is this one, which is I think not available in India right now. This is called Mukallat Al Shams. This is again oud and rose combination. Now all these three perfumes, are oud and rose combo, and you can say that it's just the quality that is different. I mean, this one is good, but this is very abrasive. Again, this one will be a smoothened version of this one, but again the quality is almost the same. And this one is the most polished version of all these two. Now let me be very clear here, this one is good, but I won't say that this is the best Ajmal so far, because I sniffed one of their perfumes called Mukhallat Danal Oud Muattak, which is this one, and price wise it was cheaper than this, and presentation wise it was better than this. So even the quality was good, very good. And if you ask me to get oud and rose perfume from Ajmal, I would recommend that one first, and this one will come second. I have seen a lot of reviews where people are stating that this is a beast mode fragrance, this lasts for more than 10 hours, more than 15 hours. This never gave me more than 4 to 5 hours, and this is after working in an air conditioned environment. And I've never tested this in summer because I recently got it, so again that can be a different thing, but I really don't think that this perfume will give you 15 to 16 hours, or let's say more than 10 hours, because it is not designed for this thing. Beast mode perfume is the last thing I would say for this one. Of course, this is sophisticated, this is gentle, this is very very smooth and good quality, but not beast mode. Should you buy this perfume? I'd say if you are getting this at a discounted rate, then just go for it. But there is no point of buying this perfume for a full retail price. There is no point of buying this perfume at, let's say, in India for 15,000 14,000 rupees, even 12,000 rupees. It is not worth it. For 7,000 8,000, I'm assuming if it is available in future, you can get this and keep this as a perfume for special occasion. But again, for winters, not for summers, because you may not be able to get the full thing out of it in summers. So my final verdict here will be Ajmal Amir one is good, but this is not worth the retail cost that people are buying it for. 7,000 8,000, it's good, it's amazing, and please don't expect a lot from this one, because if you are buying this perfume after watching reviews that it is giving 14-15 hours of longevity and stuff like that, you are gonna disappoint yourself. Is this unique? No, not at all. Ajmal itself has a lot of perfumes that have the same DNA. This is the oud and rose thing. This is just the most polished, or say most smoothened version of all those perfumes available with them. Again, I'm not saying it is bad. This is just my personal opinion. I mean, I expected something different and I didn't get it, so it's just the same oud and rose DNA, that's it. So this is it regarding Ajmal Amir one, guys. Once again, perfumes are subjective, so don't buy a perfume and don't reject a perfume just because a reviewer is saying it. Try the perfume and see if you liked it, because this is the perfume that everyone liked and I didn't like, so you can understand the subjectivity here. We'll see you in the next episode. Take care and have a great day.